beautiful. Me not see no me not talk about no ideal. The money make a girl not do it.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing on my videos. Truly appreciate it, people. It doesn't go unnoticed. Big up in yourself. Make the subscribe button over it and big up in yourself, people. So today, people, we're going to talk about Adele, the hello from the other side. Yeah, people, we can't sing, not true. Yeah, man, but we're going to talk about Adele, people. Because recently, you know, Adele went to a breakup and she lost a bunch of weight. Like, Adele is not Adele no more. Well, she is Adele, but all of the weight gone. You see me, I say, people? And you can't, that's a good look for her still. But most people recognize her from her weight. And anytime somebody can change them lifestyle and change them appearance, it's good enough, people, because she looked much healthier than before. Not saying she wasn't healthy, but the weight drop off her, so you don't know, so she's slim and trim, you see me, people. But on Sunday there was a uproar, people, I'm not gonna lie, on social media, because Adele come out in some, how would they call him, Chinese bump, I don't know if a Chinese bump them call him, and a Jamaican bikini top, people. So you don't know, so social media go run with it, people. Twitter go run with it, Instagram go run with it, and I'm not gonna lie, some of it was funny. So I say Adele caused quite the stir on social media Sunday after posting a picture of herself on Instagram wearing a bantu knots, a Jamaica flag bikini top, and other carnival wear popular in Afro-Caribbean cultures. So yeah, people, she come out fully carnival ready. She was ready for carnival, people. Her caption said, "Happy what would be Notting Hill Carnival, my beloved London."
Something alright? Something alright?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm going with the caption there. The English singer wrote in her caption, referring to the second largest carnival in the world, which usually takes place around this time in the streets of West London, people. In her post, the Hello singer wore the traditional African hairstyle bikini top in tribute to the carnival, which celebrates Caribbean culture and interracial tolerance. The event would have taken place August 30 and 31st, but it's entirely virtual this year because of the coronavirus. So you don't know what she say. I must in our backyard she put up that. I don't know people, but let me know in the comment section. From ever since the breakup, I think she had dated a Jamaican man right now. I'm not gonna lie. Pre all the background people in the back. You see me, like, brother and hand in a ear, you can know him. He's a yard man. You have a Jamaican thing when I back there to people. I don't know what going on. Maybe she come over to the yard side and the Jamaican side people. Let me know anything, people. But as I said, people, you know, people on Twitter was making a bunch of memes, people. I'm not gonna lie, and some of them funny as hell. And you know you're gonna have the people them who don't like it and think say she a culture vulture. People are gonna have them different opinions, and it's either way you put it, one good, one bad. So what me I gonna do, people, me I gonna drop some of the memes them that I found on Twitter that I thought was hilarious, which I thought was funny. Yeah man, me I gonna drop a bunch of them and leave in the comment section, let me know anything about this. Because she did start an uproar on Twitter and Instagram and on social media. So let me know in the comment section or anything, people. Alright, big up in yourself, alright? Madam out.
Rolling my body, rolling my body from the other side. To you that I never knew all the things you take.
You that I love, you know, and I'll never put no one above, you know. Come, let's have a
What does the boat of something? The night time, big night.
From you not stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you, me not care about that. Can't talk in on my face.
Wacky and the teacher about ties about stop it, yeah, everybody in the street and do the gully creeper.
Well, me now go drop, so them have to see me rise. All get the youths, man, I give them a surprise. Me now everybody bleach, and I see how me white.